I'm working on it.
What's Daddy have, Anthony?
Thomas the Train.
Who gave us Thomas the Train? What's that?
What?
Oh my goodness. Who gave you that?
Bunny.
The Easter Bunny?
The Easter Bunny.
Oh my goodness. What else did he give you?
This. It's giving this.
Show me over here. Show me. Did he bring something for Nick?
He brought this.
Coloring book? But what else did he bring for Nick? Something?
This. Brought.
Oh, he brought that for Nick? Oh, Nick's gonna love it. You're gonna love it, Nick?
The twine. Oh, my Thomas.
Let me see your Thomas. Oh my goodness. Who's that puffing down the track? What kind of sound does Thomas make? No, you make the sound with your voice. What's he say?
What's the choo-choo say?
Does it go whoop whoop? No?
Does the choo-choo go meow? Hey, no more. That's as far as you go up the stairs.
What does Thomas say when he's puffing down the track?
You don't have this. You don't have this black one.
That's okay. Okay, you want to say Happy Easter, everybody? Oh my goodness.
This. Open this.
Okay, say Happy Easter, everyone.
No, I don't want to say.
Oh, well then I guess we're not going to open the pickup truck.
Come on, say Happy Easter.
Maybe Nick will say it. Should I ask Nick?
Yeah.
Okay. Nick, say Happy Easter, everyone.
Happy Easter.
She like this.
Who's that?
Make it for me.
Mickey for Anthony? You're a pretty lucky boy.
That's why I got this. That's why I got Thomas the Train.
Tell everybody on the movie, Happy Easter.
Oh, I hit my face on my chest.
Say Happy Easter, everybody. Come on.
Happy Easter.